Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Today's tip of the week is all about the difference between covenants and conditions. These are both private restrictions on real estate, so not every property is going to have a covenant or a condition on it, but condos could have these private restrictions. So these restrictions can come in the form of covenants, or they can come in the form of conditions. Essentially, a covenant is anything that would not cause a loss of title. If you have a covenant on your condo and you break it, you're not going to lose ownership. You'll get fined or warned or sued, but you're not going to lose title to your property. For example, in my condo, I have a rule that says I can't swim after midnight. I go swimming at 2 in the morning with some friends. I've broken a rule, but that's a covenant, not a condition. It's not like they're going to take my condo from me if I swim in the pool at 2 in the morning. A condition, on the other hand, is another form of private control, breach of which would cause loss of title. Here's an example. I give UCLA my house in Westwood on the condition that they use it as a science library. If they start using it as a sorority house, what could I do? I could take it back. That's a condition. Maybe I deed a property to the local hospital on the condition that it be used as a pediatric AIDS research facility. If they start using it as a for-profit restaurant, they broke the condition, I could take that property back. So most things in condos, probably all the things in most condos, are covenants. You're not going to lose ownership of your property. You'll get fined or warned or sued. Conditions are very rare, but watch, you might see this concept tested on the exam. Which is harsher, breaking a covenant or breaking a condition? That's right, a condition is harsher. Why? Because breaking a condition results in loss of title. Breaking a covenant results in a fine, a warning, or some other injunction. So both covenants and conditions are private restrictions on real estate. A condition is a much harsher penalty because, again, breaking a condition results in loss of title.